Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the reconstruction and dualization of the Onuimo to Abia Tower Road in Umuahia Abia State, which is currently in its final stages as of April 2026. The project, which covers approximately 5.95 km, is being expanded into a four-lane dual carriageway to alleviate heavy traffic at the state's entry point from Imo State. So from this road, if people coming from Imo State, if you want to pass the Imo River and you get into Umuahia, this is the road you'll be driving through, and then from here you get to Abia Tower. The project is receiving final touches and is racing toward completion. The contractor, Cranbrook Construction Company, has reached the second asphalt laying stage. Now, as you can see, you see that they have installed solar powered street lights on the road already, and it gave the road a kind of new look. So we can't wait for the road to be completed. So road markings and other road furnishings are the final items remaining before official handover to the state government. This road was flagged off by His Excellency Governor Otti on December 4th, 2024, and we are in 2026 now. The project is being handled, like I mentioned earlier, by Cranbrook Construction Company. Some of the expected benefits, the expansion aims to reduce road accidents and boost the local economy, particularly the palm oil value chain in Umuahia South, LUGA. So this is how the road looks like currently. The gutter, I don't know, the drainage, if they are going to cover it along the line, I don't know, or we hope that they cover it. So now, so when you are coming into Abia State, the entry point, what will be welcoming you is a good road, very smooth. So even if you are driving in at night, there's solar powered street lights. You can be able to drive from Onuimo to Abia Tower, and if you still want to extend it, you can still connect to the Agui Boulevard. You drive straight, you get to gate, and good road everywhere. The state government is really trying. As you can see, they are still working. Like I said, the painting, the road markings, still remaining a few things before the road can finally be said to be completed. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. As you're watching the video, if you find it interesting, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So this road started where around the boundary between Abia State and Imo State, known as Onuimo, Oza Bidoro, we Badhawa, and then ends at Abia Tower. So from Abia Tower to Onuimo, if you haven't been to Abia State in a very long time, if you're coming back, please, when you get there, I know you might take your phone and call somebody and say, oh, the Kifurozo. This is what the state government is doing in Abia State, road infrastructure. The government is really trying, and like the governor promised us, he said he was going to give Umuahia a facelift, which he's already doing, because some people that it's been a long time they left Umuahia, when they come back and they see what is going on here, they marvel and they'll be like, wow, in a short period of time there has been a lot of changes in the state capital. All the entry points to Abia State, apart from this Onuimo road, we have the Kotebene road around Ikwano. If you're coming from Akwa Ibom to Abia State, that road has already been flagged off, and I don't know if work have kick-started there. If they don't start work, I'm gonna forget my Oyibo, I don't even know the meaning. So we don't know if work has started from that point. The governor said every entry point into Abia State, no give me a call them. So if you have requests, if you have any road in mind that you can in Umuahia. You could kiti and a comment section there, but maybe magic fit still happen. Or if you have any road in Umuahia that needs urgent attention, any road in Umuahia that needs urgent attention, you could itinye ya na comment section. Or when you maybe subscribe, because kabaloki click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that drop all video was both na drop here with the one notification na ekwentege ma drop go video. So guys, thanks for watching the video down to this extent, and very soon we'll be approaching Abia Tower. Around this side now is called Amachara. Back in when the School of Nursing, and on Gakapwanime, the School of Nursing, government no structures, nime the School of Nursing. Government ana ha bale kwa government ana ha ruli here na ha do easy when ha bale, So guys, I don't have much to say again. Jirana Gilere ife neme na the state capital of Abia State.